Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a circle symbol checkboxes on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF and this is default checkboxes, check symbol checkboxes. Now click on this form option, this menu bar. Here you will find this checkbox option. Click here. Now do the new checkbox and select right button for your mouse cursor and go properties dialog box. And go properties dialog box. Here you will find this option menu already selected and the checkbox style. This is default settings check. Now click the down arrow and here you will find the circle option. So you select circle and select close. Go hand option and see this. This circle symbol checkbox is now added. Also you can change this and make it circle symbol checkboxes. Now click on the select option and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor, select all of them. Now click right button and select properties dialog box and do it similar way. Select circle and select close and say this. These are circle symbol checkboxes now created. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.